Most of our women have invested in a lot of sex toys. And you see, you cannot compare the power of an excavator to a power of a human being.
My boyfriend.
Who pushed your orgasm away?
My boyfriend was the one who got me my first sex toy.
Because he realized that your orgasm has traveled far. We far from home. Brother.
So you saying that it's private.
I got a sex toy.
Yeah.
And I use on fine girl. Now I'm bored then.
We had to improvise. Like we blend it. It's not like we are using it throughout. It's a sex toy. Like let me put myself. I hardly come.
You hardly come.
Hardly.
Then I guess maybe you are dealing with the wrong partners or mentally.
No, it's not mentally.
Not in your okay.
Sometimes I feel like it's the body. Like it's the body type.
Now body type no I attract now.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
The reason why a lot of marriages are breaking out is this. When they call them, when they have issues and their families call them, the woman will go like, "Bema no on you chop money, mommy, and Abenyine is not taking care of me." The woman will also say something. You know, they will not really tell you what really started that thing because, for example, if you are not giving a man sex and what should make him feel like a man, then he also feels that, why should I also go to an extra mile to take care of you? And then it will start setting family problems like that on the outer side. People will be fighting every day. But then when they go to address the issues in front of the elders, they will not address the source of the problem.
But some of the men, they are not pleasing their wives because they have other side chicks outside. They are more focused on because nothing.
Because there is a problem at home.
That's not always the case.
That
is not always the case. Sometimes everything is fine at home. They just want to test the waters. They want to taste other, and it's understandable. But I mean, when you're tasting, a lot of men, that is it.
What kind of side chick would you feel proud when your husband, let's say, in the celebrity status, actress Ben the Wukun cheats with her, you feel proud?
I don't think any woman will feel proud.
Like that one, they're not go paying you.
Oh, make her who?
Like Rashida Black Beauty.
I don't know her. That girl. My husband, I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Really? I mean, you can do better. Don't stay.
So, like, for example, when you hear your husband is cheating with you and Jackie up here, like he comes, "Oh baby, come home. Oh, you're such a darling. You're taking me to places."
That's not true, but I mean, Jackie is not cheap, so
no. I mean, that's just by the way, you know. But to wrap up, I feel like with all this banter and all that, the bottom line is it's about communication and communicating right. I feel if you're a woman and then you allow yourself, because sex is in the mind, you understand. Once your mind is already made, and then you are ready to accept your man in you, and both of you are ready to explore yourself, there's no way you are not going to come. Unless maybe you have started using a lot of, and we are not being truthful to ourselves, most of our women have invested in a lot of sex toys. And you see, you cannot compare the power of an excavator to a power of a human being. But when it comes to the body contact and body feeling and gestures, you can't say that a sex toy is better than a human being. You understand? You would have all this vibration, and these vibrations will push your orgasm far away to the north. Then you go and carry somebody's poor son, and you want him to do what?
My boyfriend.
Who pushed your
my
orgasm away?
My boyfriend was the one who got me my first sex toy.
Because he realized that your orgasm has traveled far. We far from home. He can't match up to it. He can't kill himself just because you have to come.
But you men are selfish. Men are see. A lot
So
of men are
please,
very
young
selfish.
ladies, stop using those sex toys with high voltages. Some of them can shake the ground and you realize that it's in a woman's VV. Wow, how? Why that by your madam? Do you feel guilty?
No, not at all.
Do you use sex toys?
I do.
Wow.
Because I hardly come. I told you, like, I said my man got me my first sex toy.
Wow.
Yeah.
I give her.
So sometimes it's good you understand your woman.
Mm.
Yeah.
And so your sex toy doesn't use a battery or it's
No, it doesn't. You just have to plug it and charge it.
You plug it.
No. Yeah, you plug it and charge it.
So
You don't
okay, so let's assume
use it directly whilst it's plugged. No.
So let's assuming you are using it, and when you're about to get the battery dies.
So I always charge it.
No,
I don't
no.
take that risk. No, I won't take that risk.
But when the battery runs down, it dies within the center of.
No, it never happens.
Now,
It never-
let's say it
it
will
hasn't
happen.
happened, so I don't even know how to hammer on that. Like, it doesn't happen. Like, I don't know.
But
hasn't
it will
happened-
definitely happen someday.
Oh, when it happens, when it gets there, we'll see. We'll cross. But I mean, we're always on guard.
Well, for me, I don't encourage women using sex toys
Try it.
because God is sensible. God is really, really, really sensible. He's not dumb to do.
They know a lot of
A
women
regular
are
human
going
being.
through it. They know a lot of men don't come. So they had to initiate something to help us.
Well,
That is it. It's not like me, I'm not addicted to sex toys. No.
so how many times you use them in a?
I use it with my man.
You use it with your man?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey. And your man, no. I say I didn't know be some questions. So
Because he understands it. So I didn't know you understand. So we had to
so he'll be
find a
holding
way.
it. So he'll be holding it for you.
He
Hey,
that one there is private. So
brother,
they using it as private.
aqua to sex toy.
Yeah.
And you use on fine girl. Now I'm bored then.
We had to improvise. Like, we blend it. It's not like we are using it throughout. It's a sex toy. Like, yeah, the agro.
Yo.
So I beg you people should have time for your woman and have time for the woman's body. Have time, study her body, understand her very well. You understand? Okay, so back you know, he's going to put that thing there.
So how long? Let's take the take it. How long should a man last on a woman?
Okay, to me, I think the first round shouldn't last more than 5 minutes. To me, it shouldn't. If you are enjoying it, it shouldn't last more than. Sometimes some people say, "Hey, maybe it's for 30 minutes." That's nonsense. I mean, to me, it's not normal. I feel like from one, it shouldn't even exceed 5. From 1, 2, 3 minutes. I mean,
The second version.
oh, that one there. So mama calls as long as it can go.
It's a mama calls.
As long as it can go or you can go.
And how long should women also last?
That one before they come.
Yeah.
I don't know. The woman's body is different, so I don't even know. Some women come under 1 minute. Me like this, when I use the toy, within a minute, I'm good.
But when you use human being,
That one
eternity.
there. Oh, master, forget that one. That one there. Don't worry yourself. And it's been like that since. So it's not like I feel like I always say it's my body. That's how I was
On
created.
your body,
But
on your
what?
wadrin.
It's not my mind. I don't think it's my mind. It's the body. It's I don't know. Or my hormones I don't know.
On your wadrin.
Really. It's not. I don't know. I'll see.
Because when you said when they are using their tongue and
Oh yeah.
that one.
That one there. That one the
But that thing to people to say it be sin.
oh. Men don't do that too. They say something must kill a man.
So once the
If you
person
can do
is
that,
ready,
we are good to go.
yeah, I see. Well, some ladies also don't approve of that.
As in,
A man licking them, going down on them.
oh, and then on per
Really?
Oh, on pill.
Some ladies feel like spiritually.
It's not true. It's either onye bida, and on pill, and he or she is in the relation for be before into on pesa awareness, but opewa, and you want to do it for she will not reject it. Never.
So, like in your own ways, you think that is better than sex?
I won't say that is better than sex.
Like comparing. That's
to me.
Yeah.
To me, yes, because I don't come through penetration. That's the only reason.
So
I don't come.
You always go for them.
Yes. Yeah. No, they will not balance it. That's all.
I see.
Yeah.
Whoever is working on this project, may God be with you.
Baby, you know how we do it.
May God. But I thought you said you were single.
No, single. I'm single now. Dear, I'm single. Right now, dear, I'm single. Right now, dear.
God is watching you. Guys, we're out of here. Let us
single.
know what you think in the comment section. I've been doing this with Madam Saki, Riza. That Ghanaian girl.
That Ghanaian girl. That Ghanaian girl with the Nigerian vibes.
That's why we're out of here. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Kasia, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.